Lots of nutritious vegetables and agar-agar are placed inside eggshells. Then they are set into vegetable egg jelly. Amazing! When you crack open the eggshell, everybody will be surprised. Let's get started! We're gonna crack a small area at the end of the egg. Place a chopstick and break the yolk so it's easier to come out. Pour out the egg into a bowl. Save them for another recipe. Do the same with the rest. Wash the eggshells. In a pot over high heat, bring water to a boil. Boil the eggshells for about 2 minutes to ensure they're completely clean. Remove and drain. To make the dipping sauce, in a bowl add the soy sauce, Chinkiang vinegar. You can also use other types of vinegar, and garlic. Whisk and set aside. In a mixing bowl, add the steamed carrots, steamed peas, steamed corn, and cucumber. You can also use other ingredients that you enjoy. Mix well. Place them in each eggshell, and do the same with all of them. In a small pot, pour in the vegetable stock. You can also replace it with water. Add the agar-agar powder. Agar-agar is made from seaweed and processed into powders. It's similar to gelatin, but the texture is firmer. It's available in most Asian grocery stores and on Amazon. Add the salt. Whisk until everything is dissolved. Place the pot over high heat, stirring constantly, and bring it to a boil. Turn to medium heat. Continue to stir constantly and simmer for about 2 minutes. The ratio is 1 teaspoon of agar-agar powder to 1 US measurement cup, which is about 236.6 millimeters. Pour the liquid into a gravy boat for easier pouring. Add the liquid in each eggshell. Do the same with the rest. Set under room temperature for about 20 minutes. People often ask me, how can I improve my cooking skill? So you might have heard this before. When you cook with love, the food tastes better. On top of that, here's what I do. I also like to do meditation to clear my mind. When your mind is clear, you can do everything better. You will naturally find your inner chef and elevate your cooking skill. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Enjoy! This is super tasty, it's full of surprises. It's a really awesome way to eat lots of healthy vegetables. It pairs perfectly with this dipping sauce. So I hope that you enjoyed today's episode. Please subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye!